Hi, welcome back to Naturally Adrift Photo Adventures. We finally got out on an adventure, but I was so excited to finally be out, I completely forgot to film an introduction and just started taking photos. Here we are visiting Sterling Nature Center on Lake Ontario. We were greeted by an eastern towhee. Our goal was to photograph and film as many birds as we could. There was also robins and mallard ducks, yellow warblers. Our first visit, we went down to observe the heron rookery. There's a great blue heron. I think it might be feeding its baby. And there's a whole rookery here. Four, five. Looks like there's 6 active nests. Yeah, tried to focus in a little more. I can just barely see the little babies' heads moving like they're chewing on something in that nest that I'm focused on right now. You'll have to watch real carefully. Makes me wish I had something a little longer than 400 millimeters. I'm going to try out, take a look-see at one other nest, and maybe we'll come back later, early evening. Maybe the lighting will be better then. It's pretty harsh light right now. In the same area as the rookery, I saw some Caspian terns out fishing in the beaver swale. Of course, I had to take a few photos.
pretty bird. Too bad it's such a bully.
It's a great tree for a good use. Right by it, water snake. I'm chucking stuff at the snake, trying to get it to go. Whee!
There's a tube.
Beautiful on the outside, but hideously ugly on the inside, is what describes this mute swan. In the upcoming clips, we observed the mute swan fighting with the Canadian geese. At first, I just thought it was a territorial fight, but when I reviewed the footage and zoomed in, it turns out what we were actually witnessing was the murder of a gosling. No wonder the Canadian geese were so upset. And then it had the audacity to do a victory dance afterwards. So if you don't want to see this, you might want to skip the next couple of minutes of this video.
That mute swan does not get along with the geese very well.
No.
Was that 3 against 1?
What should I name this guy? Froggy? Froggy the Froggy?
Yep.
Froggy the Froggy.
That's what wicked sounds they make.
They're fighting?
Yeah,
Want
they're
something
fighting.
to eat? You want something to eat?
He's just slapping the water with his wings.
Careful.
I found him. I found him. I'm holding him by the legs. Hopefully he doesn't pee on me. Look.
Hello, Mr. Green Frog.
Look who I found. Yeah, it took me years to achieve this. Years?
It seems like it to him.
Yeah, it took me a long time.
Probably half an hour.
Yeah, half an hour to get this guy. And if I wanted another one, probably another half an hour.
That's a good size one.
Yeah, I know. Not as good size as some of the others I made attempts at, but he's still cute. Oh, you. Hello. Hello, you kitty.
You are so cute. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Okay, you want your obligatory frog picture?
He's still alive. I can feel him gripping me. My finger. Cutie.
Are you gonna sing into him like a microphone?
I probably shouldn't do that. Could I see?
Recording.
Caught a frog. Second catch of the day.
What kind of frog is it?
Green frog, I'm guessing?
Hmm.
Come on, smile for the camera, little buddy.
Okay, be gentle with him.
Okay.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. I'm trying to catch a mate for him, but it's not really working.
I bet you he'd catch a mate himself if you let him go.
Probably. Did you hear that? He farted. The frog farted. Did you hear that?
You're so silly.
Oh, you must have been holding that in for years. Oh.
And then that mute swan settled down to preening, and the tree swallows took advantage of the swan's preening and stole its feathers to line their nest inside the bluebird box.
Cutie pies. They make a heck of a mess though. Oh, they're getting up on the land. You gotta be careful with all those water moccasins here around here. Those little goslings would make a good meal for them. I hope the goslings survive. So cute. There's some other back to little goslings. Hi, babies.
Like the two in the back. It's like they never. It's like they've married. Soon those little goslings are gonna grow up and have children of their own.
Look at that one. He's so cute.
Oh, he had his bum up, too. Oh, there he goes again. There he goes again. What is it? Oh, he's so cute. He's so flippin' cute. There he goes again, bum up. I'm gonna call that one bum up. Instead of bum up. I'm gonna call him that from now on. Oh, he's staying close to his mama. Come on, bum up. Show your bum. Yeah, there he is showing his butt. sense.
Well, on this trip, it looks like my son has been very busy frogging.
3 of
And
them.
he has decorated my camera bag.
Well, I just placed them there. They're still alive. Having a good time together. Look at this.
A little closer.
My favorite is the really slim one. I want him to get fat.
The tall one with the long legs. The leopard frog.
Yeah, him.
Yeah, the one in the middle is the leopard frog.
The other 2 are green.
Those are green. That's a green frog. And that's a green frog.
I called that one Spot.
That one Spot.
Yeah, the one in the middle.
Hmm.
So far, today I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 frogs.
Who knew that instead of birding, we'd wind up frogging?
I wish I could ever get a salamander. Newt.
Yeah, I haven't seen any of those out yet. Maybe when it gets a little warmer.
But look at these 3 guys. How can you not love them?
Ready for your close-up? Oh, maybe too close.
Oh, jeez. I think he's going. He's like,
You a model. Bye.
well, I got you.
How about you? You want to go for a trip?
Yeah,
See, why should I bother? He's just going to catch me again.
that's cute.
Frog stack.
Frog stack, woo! He's fast. He might climb. You want to climb, bud? Here. Do you want to be a star?
Not so close to the camera. There. Yeah, keep away so it can focus.
Okay, I'm going to put you back on the backpack. Please be good. Stack them up. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So while the little guy's playing with the frogs, I'm listening to some pretty birds in the background.
He got you. Ooh, he's going to fall off the island. Whoever falls off the island first loses. You quit being so weird. Oh, gee. Okay, let's restart because you clearly just got startled off. Okay. Whoever falls off the island.
Seen some sparrows and warblers, and I keep thinking I'm hearing a cardinal, but I could be wrong.
Who's gonna fall off the island? Oh,
I've been
okay,
here
you fall off the island.
birding
You know what?
most of the day. We did take a break so the little kid could have some fun at a playground.
Oh no. Oh no.
I think he's having more fun here with the frogs, though.
Oh wow.
We hiked the
Go in for your
trail past the beaver dam earlier and heron rookery,
Go, guys, going.
but I only had the big lens on, so
Oh jeez, where are you going?
I've got a lot of photos to share with you.
Where are those? Oh god.
I've got lots of giggles behind me here.
You two have gone way too far.
No.
No, you guys have gone.
Not inside the camera bag. Get those frogs out of my camera bag.
They're invading.
Yeah, they're...
Okay, so maybe not so close.
How about you put them back so we can catch up with Dad?
Who cares about that?
Is that all 3 of them?
Yeah.
No, not inside it.
He's living life on the edge.
It's too dry in there for them, honey. Go put them back in the mud puddle.
Mud puddle, where's a mud puddle?
Back that way.
I know where a mud puddle is too.
Yeah, you're gonna hurt them if you don't put them back in the mud in the grass.
There's one, there's two, there's 3.
Preferably where you found them.
Preferably?
Yeah. All right. Well, let's get them more in their natural habitat. How's that?
Well, the one is camera shy, so be careful.
There's 1,
There's
2, 3.
Well, he's hiding.
Yeah, he might need his moisture. He might have overplayed with that one.
But they're so cute.
Sometimes cute things need a break.
I know they are.
Like sometimes you need a break.
Yeah. Oh.
Slowly come up. Wildflowers. Oh, let them sneak off. If they want to sneak off, let them sneak off.
Yeah. What have you done?
I think I'm going to have to switch back to my big lens and try to find who's making that pretty noise.
Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Okay, made it back to the car just as it started to rain pretty hard. I think I saw a sharp-shinned hawk out flying over the other field. And we're not going to return to the Heron Rookery, which is somewhere out that way, because it's raining. So hopefully what I filmed earlier was pretty good. Thank you for watching. I'm going to leave you off here with some of my husband's photos from that day. Please be sure to comment below as to whether or not you like this episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.